Welcome to Rustbuster's Installation Guide.
For Ford's 1980 to 1996 F-150.
Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazard.
Step 2. Lift or remove your vehicle's bed, followed by removing the fuel tank and any lines or wires from the work area. Step 3. Cut or torch the crossmember's retaining rivets and punch out the studs. Step 4. With the included M10 hardware, install the top section of the crossmember into the top 6 rivet holes. Next, install the support brackets by loosely installing 2 of the 4 shorter M10 bolts into the top section and another 2 of the longer bolts into the frame rail. Once in place, tighten down each bolt and repeat on the opposite side. Step 5. Paint the part and work area with rust inhibitor to prevent or reduce future rust formation.
We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint.
Finally, reinstall the fuel tank and fuel lines and reinstall your vehicle's bed. Now, get back out on the road.